China's economy has shown robust momentum. According to data released by China's National Bureau of Statistics on Monday, the country's GDP expanded 6.8% year-on-year in the first half of 2018 to about $6.2 trillion. The pace was well above the government's annual growth target of around 6.5%, extending a steady expansion. According to MBS data, China's GDP rose solidly by 6.7% year-on-year in the second quarter. It marks the 12th straight quarter that the GDP growth rate has stayed within the range of 6.7 to 6.9%. In the first half of 2018, the service sector expanded 7.6% year-on-year, outpacing a 3.2% increase in primary industry and a 6.1% in secondary industry. Consumption continued to play a bigger role in driving growth, with final consumption contributing to 78.5% of economic expansion in the same period, nearly 20 percentage points higher than last year. The unemployment rate in urban areas was 4.8% in June, unchanged from the level in May and down 0.1 percentage point from June last year. MBS spokesperson Mao Shenyong said in a press conference that the Chinese economy has been running soundly in the first 6 months of the year, offering a good start for the country's pursuit for high-quality development, with further restructuring progress and improved economic quality and efficiency. According to the spokesperson, China is still going through a critical stage in structural adjustment. In addition, with increasing external uncertainties, the country will stick to the supply-side structural reform and coordinate efforts to ensure stable and sound economic performance. China aims to double the per capita income of its urban and rural residents by 2020 from the 2010 levels to build a moderately prosperous society. It is widely recognized that China has become the engine of the world economy since the start of China's reform and opening up 40 years ago. In a forum held in Beijing last weekend, the US expert on China, Stapleton Roy, spoke highly of China's development. "I cannot exaggerate my admiration for what China has accomplished over the last 40 years, in terms of the speed of economic development and the degree to which the economic development has raised the standard of living." The success came after China's persistence on its reform and opening up policy and commitments to the world trade rules. In order to better cope with unilateralism and protectionism, China will continue its opening up policy and give its market to fair, open and transparent competition.